सो ओके गाइस आज चाहिँ हामी प्यानक्रियासको बारेमा कुरा गर्दैछौँ। हामी डाइजेस्टिभ ग्ल्यान्ड सिरिजमै छौँ अनि आज चाहिँ हामी प्यानक्रियासको बारेमा कुरा गर्दैछौँ। सो प्यानक्रियास इज अ ग्ल्यान्ड द्याट इज लोकेटेड इन दी around the GI tract, hey. So this is the in this green structure is known as this is the exocrine part of the pancreas known as the pancreatic acini or pancreatic acini. Simply we call it acinus. Acinus means singular and acini means plural. And there are these dotted like structures. These are the endocrine parts of the pancreas. These are known as isolates of Langerhans. Isolates of Langerhans. They are known isolates of Langerhans. And there is a C-sept duodenum. You can see over here. There is a C-sept duodenum. There is a C-sept duodenum, and it is located in the arms, in the arms of the C-sept duodenum. These are the arms. These are the arms of the C-sept duodenum. It is located in the arms of the C-sept duodenum. So basically, most of the digestive glands, most of the digestive glands are originated from the endoderm. So they are endodermal in origin. They are endoderm. So they are endodermal in origin. Endodermal origin and located into the arms, located between the arms, between the arms of duodenum, arms of C-sept duodenum, C-sept duodenum. So it is located between these C-sept arms of the duodenum. And the gland type, it is the mixed type of gland. It is a mixed or known as a compound type of gland. It is mixed or compound type of gland because it has both endocrine and exocrine part. It has both endocrine and exocrine part, and it has also some paracrine part. So paracrine basically means it produces certain substance which stimulates its cell to secrete another substance. So so it has basically two things: the endocrine part, the exocrine part. So exocrine part. In exocrine part, you can see the numerous acini, or in plural there is acini, in singular there is acinus. So each acini contains a large group of cells that surrounds a cavity. So each acini contains a large group of cells that surrounds a cavity. In a typical acini structure, there are a large group of cells that surrounds a cavity. These are the acini. These are pancreatic acini. So these are the pancreatic acini. So it contains the numerous acini containing numerous pancreatic cells, and a large central cavity. There is a large central cavity inside. Okay, there is a large central cavity. So so its acinus is lined by the pyramidal sept. There is a pyramidal sept. These are the pyramidal septi. The pyramidal sept looking like a pyramidal sept pancreatic cells. There are the pyramidal sept pancreatic cells. These are pyramidal sept. Okay. These are pyramidal cell pancreatic cells. So these pyramidal cells secrete the enzymes of the pancreatic juice. So we will be discussing it about in later. So there are certain enzymes in the pancreatic juice. So these pyramidal cells, the pyramidal cells secrete these enzymes of pancreatic juice. And there is acinus is lined by the pyramidal cells, and each acini has a group of cells that surround the cavity. So there are numerous acini. So these things are important, and there is a paracrine also. So and it's okay. So each acini joins pancreatic ductule. And many pancreatic ductule combines to form a duct known as duct of Wirsung. This is known as duct of Wirsung. This is the duct of Wirsung. This is known as the duct of Wirsung. And this duct is also known as main pancreatic duct. This is known as main pancreatic duct. This is known as main pancreatic duct, or known as duct of Wirsung. This is not duct of Wirsung, and this duct of Wirsung combines with common bile duct to form a hepatopancreatic ampulla or ampulla pater, which is guarded by sphincter of Oddi. This sphincter of Oddi is guarding the hepatopancreatic ampulla or ampulla pater. And another duct, also known as the duct of Santorini. There is another duct known as duct of Santorini, which opens in the duodenum with a separate opening located above the opening of the main pancreatic duct. So in the main pancreatic duct, it opens in above the main pancreatic duct. This is known as duct of Santorini, and this is known as hepatopancreatic ampulla, or also known as ampulla of Vater, which is guarded by sphincter of Uri. So this is picture of Uri. Okay, and another thing about is the duct of Wirsung joins the common bile duct to form the hepatopancreatic ampulla, and this is the main pancreatic duct. This is the main pancreatic duct. Okay, so each acini joins the pancreatic ductule. So each acini, the central portion of each acini is drained by a pancreatic ductule, and this pancreatic ductule, this central portion of acini is drained by a pancreatic ductule, and the large number of acini, there are large number of acini, and there are large number of pancreatic ductule. This large number of pancreatic ductule, this large number of pancreatic ductule joins, this large number of pancreatic ductules joins to form a common duct. This is known as the duct of Wirsung. This duct of Wirsung. This is known as duct of Wirsung. So, okay. So let's go to the endocrine part. So with a separate opening, okay, this opens over the opening of the main pancreatic duct above the, it is opening located above the main pancreatic duct. Okay, so there is endocrine part also. So in endocrine part, there are the isolates of Langerhans. The isolates of Langerhans, which has alpha, beta, delta, and pancreatic polypeptide cells. So alpha cells are concerned with the synthesis and secretion of the glucagon. Glucagon and beta cells secrete the insulin. So glucagon and insulin regulates the blood glucose level. It regulates the blood glucose level. It regulates the blood glucose level, while the delta cell secretes the somatostatin. It is a growth. It inhibits the secretion of the insulin or the glucagon. So it is a regulatory type of the hormone. So it is a somatostatin. It is a regulatory type of the hormone, and the pancreatic polypeptide. So PB cells secretes the pancreatic polypeptide. It secretes the pancreatic polypeptide. It's the pancreatic polypeptide. Okay, so daily secretion of pancreatic juice is about 500 to 800 ml. 500 to 800 ml. It is about 500 to 800 ml, and the pH of the pancreatic juice is about 8.4. So it is alkaline. Alkaline. It is alkaline. Okay, it is alkaline. And the composition, if we are going to the composition, pancreatic juice has water, maximum water, 98% of water, and it has salts like the sodium bicarbonate, there is sodium bicarbonate, and the inactive enzymes like okay, so the inactive enzymes like trypsinogen, there is chymotrypsin, there is chymotrypsinogen, there is chymotrypsinogen, and there is a procarboxypeptidase, there is procarboxypeptidase, and there is a DNase also. There are active enzymes, so the DNase is in the active enzyme. So there are certain enzymes which are active. So these active enzymes are pancreatic lipases, and there are the amylases, and there are the nucleases. So RNAs. So these are the pancreatic enzymes that are in active form. Okay, so this much about the pancreas.